So welcome back to my channel for another video on the Python programming. This time I'm covering the list. So we will see how the different list operation work. I had recorded another video previously, but somehow some of the contents got lost. So I have copy pasted the already run program in a file. I will paste the contents here one by one and it execute to show how it looks. So let's get started. So first of all, we have a list for items we need to carry on a travel. Then we print the list. Then we access random element. So here we are accessing third element. So the index would be 2. Then we append elements at the end of list. Appending the elements can be done one by one. So we have first mobile charger, then AA and AAA charging battery. Then we have the updated list. So let's execute this. So you can see we have the initial item list 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 items. Then at the third we have the ready to eat food. So if we had used 1, then snacks would have been printed. For 0, water bottle. We can give it a try, and we can also use double quotes instead of single quotes. So like suppose if I use double quotes here. So that is also valid. Now let's try a few other things. So we need to determine the length and then add an element at a position. So let's do it. Okay, so we have the updated list. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items. So you can see the output as this. Then we have this updated list where we have the item protein bar added at number 4 position. Now let's check for existing protein elements in the list. We clear this output. So let's run this. You can see we do not have this samosas in our list, so it gives a false here, but snacks do exist, so we give it true. So this is a simple explanation for the how the list is defined and how it works and how we add elements at the end, and in between then we find the length and we check for the existence of an element. There are some more operations which I will cover in another video. So as of now, that's all for today.